Hi, this is Lisa Thompson from Panorama Portarlington. It's an absolutely cracking day at Panorama today. You can see behind me blue skies, sea views or bay views is absolutely stunning. I can see the city, I can see the Yuyangs. Now I'm on site for a site meeting. I wanted to take you also for a quick walk of stage 1 and 2 because these stages are nearing practical completion. Stage 1 is pretty much done. We're just tying in a bit of footpath which will connect the internal subdivision to Geelong Portarlington Road. Everything else is happening. The intersection works are nearly complete. Now in stage 2 we're fixing up a little bit of some retaining walls, some footpath sections, but this stage is also very close to being complete and ready for a council PC walk. Now once we've done our council PC walk, then we'll start to seek all approvals from authorities. Now this process, it's really hard for us to estimate how long it will take, but we're hopeful that it will take a few weeks. So we're still on target for achieving titles for stage 1 in April and stage 2 hopefully also in April, or if not early May. Now it is all happening out here. It is stunning on site. So come and take a walk with me.